everyone! Are you having trouble with your HWiNFO64 SYS driver after a recent Windows 11 update? It can be really frustrating when your favorite monitoring tool stops working right after an update. Many users face this issue where the HWiNFO64 driver fails to load, preventing the software from showing vital system information. This often happens because Windows updates can change system files, security settings, or driver compatibility. But don't worry, we're going to go through some simple steps to get it working again. Let's start with the basics. First, try a simple restart of your computer. Sometimes, a fresh boot is all that's needed to resolve minor driver conflicts. If that doesn't work, right-click on the HWiNFO64 shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can often bypass permission issues that Windows updates might introduce. Next, make sure your HWiNFO64 software is completely up to date. Visit the official HWiNFO website and download the very latest version. Developers often release updates to address compatibility problems with new Windows versions or updates, so installing the newest version might include the fix you need. While you're at it, check if there are any pending Windows updates that haven't been installed yet, as sometimes a subsequent update can resolve issues introduced by a previous one. If updating doesn't help, a clean reinstallation is often the best solution. First, uninstall HWiNFO64 completely from your system. Make sure to delete any leftover files or folders related to HWiNFO64, usually found in your Program Files directory. Then, download the latest version again from the official website and perform a fresh installation. This ensures that any corrupted or outdated driver files are completely replaced. Another important step is to check your Windows security settings or any third-party antivirus software you might be using. Sometimes, these security programs can mistakenly flag the HWiNFO64 driver as a threat and block it from loading, especially after a system update. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus or Windows Defender to see if HWiNFO64 works, then re-enable it and add an exception for HWiNFO64 if it does. For more advanced users, if all else fails, you might look into temporarily disabling driver signature enforcement. However, this is a more complex step and generally not recommended unless absolutely necessary, as it can reduce your system's security. Usually, the previous steps will solve the problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope these solutions help you get HWiNFO64 working perfectly again on your Windows 11 machine. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your experience, and share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Your support helps us create more helpful content for you. See you next time.